Well, hey everyone, I'm Dr. Nancy Stanley, physical therapist, life and health coach, and I am outside doing one of my favorite things, and that is gardening. I love to garden, and I think the reason is because I just love to see things grow. I love to see people grow. I love to grow myself. I just love it. And you know, what I want to talk about today is how you may be afraid of trying something new. You may have fear that you're going to fail or that you don't know how, or uh, most times people don't try new things because they say, I don't know how. All right. Well, I'm doing something now that I really don't know how. I mean, I've done some research, I've read about it, but I've never done it before. And so it's new for me, but you know what? The best way to learn how to do something is just to do it. So riding a bicycle, for instance, the first time I rode a bicycle, I thought my daddy was holding on to me while I was going along, and I looked back and he wasn't there, and I'm like, okay, I'm doing this by myself. Yeah. So that's what I want to tell you. So this is a pyracantha bush, and I bought it, and I'm going to train it. It's called espaliering. Have you ever heard that word? I'm going to train it to go a certain way. And that's what I do in my health coaching. I help people to learn how to think differently and go a certain plan. There are four things successful people do. Number one, they have a burning desire. Number two, they have a plan, and that's what I give you in my program. Got little bugs flying around. Number three, they learn how to shut up the naysayers, and those are the voices in your head that are telling you, well, you can't do it, you failed before, you've tried all this. But I just want to tell you that you can do it, all right? Norm sits on your left shoulder, and he talks to you all day about what you can't do, but he's never right. That's why he sits on your left shoulder, because he's never right. So kick Norm to the curb. Message me if you'd like to learn more about how to get healthy. I'd love to help you. I've helped over probably 600 people get healthy or learn how to do it. And I run into those people periodically, and they'll say, you know what, I'm still doing it. I know exactly what to do. I may go off the plan here and there, but I know exactly what to do. So I'd love to help you. Let me hear from you. Go to my website, www.drnancystanley.com, and yeah, let's talk. Look at all those testimonies and see all those people that have done it, and you can do it too. And I'm going to get back to work here training my power cancer.